All right, we are on air live. Okay, Group 10, Lesson 10.
Yeah, who's got the first two questions?
Anybody have any questions about the preparation assignment?
No.
No, not at all.
It was pretty straightforward.
Yep. I think this lesson is pretty straightforward. As long as you got the three formulas down and the theory, you're fine.
Yep. All right, question 3. Find the margin of error. Or, yeah, 1 and 2 is a given.
Yeah.
All right, so find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and the number is 25.
Yeah, so you use the margin of error calculation.
Yep.
Which is Z times the standard population divided by the square roots of the sample.
Yep. And I got 6. Oh, go ahead.
16.45.
Yep, and negative 16.45.
No, because this one you don't use 2.
Oh,
this you're not
right,
calculating the confidence. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. 16.45.
Okay. Question 4 is the theory. Which of the following statements is true? So based on the thing, I put the second one.
I agree with that.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so question 5. For the next 6 questions, we use that Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for G math scores. She knows the standard deviation is 113. She collects a simple random sample of size 64 and computes 526. Okay, so question 21 is what is the point estimate for the true GMAT score?
So 95% confidence level.
Yeah, so the trick there is that the sample mean is the same as the true estimation. So it's 526. That's what I got. I think it was the same as question 7 in the homework.
Was the point estimate for the true GMAT score?
Yeah.
526.
Let me just check the homework. Where did it go? Lesson 10. Oh, no, well,
yeah, it's number. Let's see. Was the point estimate for the population mean was 541? It was questions 6 and 7 in the preparation assignment.
Yeah, so question 7. What is the point estimate for the population mean? It's the same as the sample mean. Is that the same question? Same kind of question?
Yep.
Okay, so the answer is 526 then.
Cool.
Okay, what is the margin of error for that? So I got, put it in the formula, 498.315 and 553.685.
Say it again, 498.315. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
And
is that what you got?
Yep, and then 553.685.
Yep.
Okay. But hold on, what is the margin of error?
Yeah, so that's your margin, those two.
Yeah, but can you put both of them in there, or do you just put one?
Ooh, I don't know. Let me see. Let me go back to my preparation, see what they're asking.
Oh no, hold on. The margin of error is that other formula.
That's you're thinking of confidence interval. The margin of error is only going to be one number.
3, yeah, I think that. Okay, so Z is 190.
Again, it's just the one side.
6. Yep.
From 553.685 minus 526.
And
Right.
N is 64. So I get 27.685.
Verify 53.685 minus 27.685.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, here's your one. What is the lower limit?
All right. So what was that first number again? The confidence interval?
What question? Question 6 or 7?
7, because 7 is the first part of what we thought the answer of 6 was, right?
Yeah, it was 498.315.
315. Yep.
That whatever. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Cool.
Okay, then question 8. What is the upper limit? So the upper limit, I've got 553.685.
That I had.
Cool.
Okay, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval in G and increase the sample size? So the width of the confidence level would decrease, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to 99% confidence level?
That would increase, right?
Yep, that's right. Okay, this is a whole new formula. Okay, so it said Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. Let me put all this in quickly. Standard deviation is 400. And they want 95% confidence level. So 95 is 1.96. Yeah. And the margin of error is 50. Margin of error is...
I got 246.
Hold on, margin of error is M, hey? Okay, so I'm using, so margin of error is M, which is 50. 100. So I put it in the wrong formula. 400. What did you get?
I got 246.
Oh, no, I got 90. I got 98. Well, let's try that again. 400 hour.
Not the margin of error. This one you're trying to get how many samples you need to get.
Okay.
So remember how you're doing the it was the solve for n.
The sample size. Hold on.
Yeah, you're solving for n this time.
Yeah, sorry. I put it. What did you say? 245.
246.
So the answer's, yeah. So the answer's 246.
Yeah, because you have to round up.
Because you round up.
Yeah, it was 245.8624, and then if you're using an Excel spreadsheet, you can use the roundup formula for that, and that just automatically gives you that.
So that was 246, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh. All right, I just came to the answer. All right. Just a step behind on everything. Okay.
Well, this is great. Now I've actually got through nothing. I haven't saved all the questions. Seven.
Okay.
Just quickly, what did you guys have for question 7? I didn't save that one.
That was 7?
Yeah.
498.315.
That's correct.
Thank you. We're on question 12 now, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the lower limit of this 95% confidence interval? Lower limit.
Standard deviation is
Sticking with 95.
36,730.
Okay, let's put in the numbers. So we got 36,730 for our standard deviation. 30.
And the sample mean is 100,000, right?
Sample mean is 100,000.
So it said the level of significance is 0.05. That means Z is 1.96. Or am I reading that wrong?
Nope, that's correct.
Sample size
36.
and N is 36. Okay. And X is 111. Where do we use?
Oh,
X?
we want to use the 111, the sample mean.
Okay, we have to just read this then. It says the sample mean of actuaries is that.
111,000.
But it says women say find that X. That's weird. So what are they trying to do here? Oh, this goes back to last level. This goes back to last week's lesson. Because it's got A0 and A where it's not equal to.
Well, the hypothesis.
No. Yep.
Okay, so hold on. We're looking at the lower limit. So the hypothesis is that it's 100,000, and the other one is that it's anything but 100,000.
Yep.
And my lower limit is 99,001.53.
Your lower limit, but you changed it to 100,000, 111,000.
Yeah, the sample mean, the X bar. So that the formula for the confidence interval is X bar, Z score, standard deviation numbers. I mean, you have those 4 in there.
I used
so
100,000.
The regular mean? So the sample mean?
Yeah. Hold on. What is the lower limit, man?
Because it's always been X bar.
Yeah. Okay. So what was your answer in the lower limit?
99,001.53.
Yeah, that's what I got. What do we have to round it to?
5%. We're looking for the 5%. I mean, they're only asking for the lower level, but I'm trying to think ahead.
Yeah, round to the nearest whole number, so it'd be 99002.
Yeah.
That's 99002. That's a tough one.
Okay, so what is the upper limit? That would be.
So let me go back to what my U is.
122,999.
Sorry, I'm just reading what the 122.
Oh no, sorry, I just increased. Yeah, 122,998. That's a lot.
Okay. There are 3 requirements they need to check on confidence levels. They are, okay, I have those.
Oh, I have those too.
So one is a simple random sample was drawn from the population. Number 2 is the distribution of the sample mean is normally distributed, and sigma is assumed to be known.
Yep. That's all of the above, right?
There we go, you're right. Yeah. That's funny. I'll ask you what 3 and then,
All right, I'll turn it in and see what happens.
All right, good luck.
Yeah. We've only got 3 shots now.
Yeah.
Feel bad for Ryan.
Okay, yeah, we got everything except for 13. I think the thing with 13 is that okay, the answer to 12 was 99,002, and that's going to be a certain distance from the mean, which was. No,
I think I know what the problem with 13 is. Is it ended in 0.46. So if you truly round that up, it should be 122,999. So let me try that quickly.
Yep.
Let me see.
Because we have to round up.
Was that the only one that was wrong?
Yeah, that's the only one that's wrong.
Okay, let me try that. Save all answers, go to submit. Yep, 100%.
All right, that was it.
Oh, so what was 13 again?
122,999.
122.99.
999. So it's
122,999.
Yep.
Well, that makes it a way bigger number.
No,
Yeah, it is, 'cause
it just
upper
increased
limits.
it by.
Increased it by 1 to what we had there. Just because the rounding
So
was
that would
off.
be 3 nines, right?
Yep. It's 122,999.
That would be 122,999.
That's right.
That's correct.
Okay. Just making sure. Hold on. I was looking at it backwards. Hold on.
Cool. 100%.
Man, Billy Ryan missed this. This was pretty easy.
Well, it still took. I'm glad we're doing these in groups because otherwise I would have missed some. I would have been heading for the wrong thing.
Yeah, I need to read this chapter again myself. I didn't take enough time.
Yeah,
Oh
once you-
no! All my answers are gone. Why didn't it keep my answers when I retook it?
Oh, here we can run it through with you. Because
Oh my
for some reason,
gosh.
because you have to take it over again.
Yeah, so you have to enter them all again.
Oh man! All right.
All right, you ready?
I know what 8, 1, and 2 are. All right. What's 3?
Oops. Hold on.
If you get 1 and 2 wrong, you're in trouble.
Okay, 3 is 16.45.
16.45. Okay. What is 4?
Hold on.
Let me load mine so I can double check.
4. Hold on.
And number 4 is the second one.
Okay, I remember that. 5.
526.
Yep.
526. Okay, and 6.
27.685.
7.685. Okay, and then number 7.
498.315.
All right, here we are. And then number 8.
553.685.
Okay, and then what was number 9?
Decrease.
Number 10.
Increase.
Number 11.
246.
Number 12.
99002.
Number 13.
122,999.
And then 14 is all of the above.
That's
Yep.
it.
All right, save all responses. Go to submit quiz. Let's see here.
So it sounds like on these, those when you're doing your margin of error or the confidence interval, that those also need to be rounded up.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put that formula in for those so that it doesn't throw me off. That 4.7 threw me off when I added that because it originally said 0.5, and then I added the extra decimal point, and then it went down to 4.7. I was like, oh, we just round down.
All right. Thanks for the help. I'll see you guys on Thursday.
Yeah. Don't forget to take
All right.
the test tonight.
All right.
I'm stopping broadcast.
All
Okay.
right.